to solve this quadratic equation using Sridharacharya's formula. So what am I going to do first? I am writing the general form of the quadratic equation first. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, from this equation, given equation, I am going to find a, b and c. What is my a? Coefficient of x square is a. So here my a is 9. Coefficient of x is b. So what is the coefficient of x? 7. So my b is 7. And the constant term is c. What is my c here? Minus 2. Take care of these signs. So let me write the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Now, if I have identified these values correctly, it will become very easy for me to substitute the values here. So x equal to minus 7 plus minus under root of 7 whole square minus 4 into what is my a? 9 and what is my c? Minus 2 divided by 2 into 9. So x equal to minus 7 plus minus under root of 7 square is 49. Minus and minus is plus. 9 fours are 36 into 2s are 72 divided by 18. So further this becomes minus 7 plus minus under root of 72 plus 49 is 121 divided by 18. So my next step is x equal to minus 7 plus minus, this is 11 under root of 121 upon 18. So now I got two values for x. One is minus 7 plus 11 divided by 18. So if I solve that, 11 minus 7 is 4 upon 18. If I simplify this, this is 2 by 9. I got one value of x as 2 by 9. Let me find another value for x. Minus 7 minus 11. Minus 7 minus 11 upon 18, which is minus 18 by 18, which is equal to minus 1. So what are the values of x now? 2 by 9 and minus 1. In fact, you should write it in a solution set form and the smaller value first and then the bigger value. These are the two values of x. In fact, the two roots of this quadratic equation which I have solved with the help of Sridharacharya's formula.